All right then, hey guys, this is Daryl of Wise Sound, and I'm so super excited to finally be able to showcase to you in full our Montage M Gospel Sound Pack Pro Edition. So let's hop right into it. So this is going to be split up into two different versions, and of course, once you purchase the pack, then you'll get both versions. The version 1 now and version 1.5 at a later date. But before we get into that, let's talk about the library itself. So our Montage Gym Gospel Sound Pack right now is exclusive, of course, to the Montage Gym. If we see a good response to this, we'll go ahead and not only add more to it, more than what we're already going to be planning to do with version 1.5 coming out later on next year. But we'll also think about go ahead and putting the work in to bring some of the more exclusive features of this library to the Montage MODX and MODS Plus. So in short, this is of course, most of the sounds are the core sounds found inside of our Montage / MODX Gospel Sound Pack. But this time around, we're going ahead and adding some extra sounds. So piano 2 and 3 was added back. And then we actually have some. This is actually a new preset. We went ahead and took EP2 dry and ran it through the Montage M's chorus. I'm not sure if Yamaha updated the chorus or not, but I just like this particular sound that I heard when I ran it through there. It's almost spot on. So, it's almost close to the real MKS20. And then we went ahead because we have more headroom. For the most part, we went ahead and added in the concert grant from Contact Gospel Sound Pack, specifically Contact Gospel Sound Pack's expansion, the WSO2 expansion. And what I love about this is that we didn't make any cuts to it. It's the full sustain. We also are able to emulate the through the Montage Gym's damper resonance. You have the damper resonance, so you'll hear like the body of the piano when you hold on to the sustain pedal. But most importantly, you have 8 velocity layers. Beautiful piano, absolutely love it. So let's move on here. We've all seen these patches in our basic Montage MODS Gospel Sound Pack. If you want to see a full video on that, it's on the channel. I just want this video to be rather quick and highlight the new features within the Pro Edition. So amp bass also comes from KGSP Contact Gospel Sound Pack, just the standard Contact Gospel Sound Pack. Excuse me, that's a mouthful. And this is also 8 velocity layers. Whoop, let's... So yeah, it's and you might hear a little bit of clipping in the video. That's just because it's a powerful bass. We actually even added a little bit of an amp sim on there. So forgive the recording if it clips. But we brought back some sounds from the full-fledged Flash for those who remember that. So here's our poly brass. And then, of course, for those who like Aftertouch, what we gotta do is push a little harder in the keys. and then I think when we're going to do in version 1.5 for those who have the Montage 8, excuse me, the Montage M8, we're going to go ahead and do a polyphonic aftertouch version for all of our aftertouch sounds. Unfortunately, no, the Montage M6 and Montage M7 cannot take advantage of that. But for the 8, for those who have it, we want you to have it. Flying Waltz returns. This is always a very difficult sound to sample because so much is going on. It's hard for the looper to loop it, and then also if you don't play exactly right, like if you roll your chorus, you're gonna get it out of sync. Unfortunately, Montage M, to my knowledge, I've looked in the manual, looked around, asked around. There is no sample sync on the Montage M. It's just basic sample playback. But if you just go ahead and just chord it, you can get it all to sync together. It sounds beautiful. Herreborn was one that sound I was asked to do. It's a simple pad. Mondo Bass was also asked of me to do. This is the polyphonic version. And then we have the monophonic version to play it like how it is on the actual 5080. Now here we promise also 5 all-new orchestral ensemble string patches. Take a listen. We're getting into my favorite now. Woo! That's worship right there. Absolutely beautiful. So let's go back to the main list here. Let's see. We all know about our ES sounds that are included. We also have variations on patches that I felt were very FX heavy out the gate. So this is Bright Teeth regularly. You have to lay in all that. Here's Bright Teeth number 2, live performance ready. Okay. Same with analog. You might not be able to hear it. You can hear it when you use the mod wheel, but there, excuse me, there is a left and right panning going on. You heard that? Well, number 2 has it turned off. All right. Let's see. Polyside was the same way. You can hear that pretty clear as day. And then, of course, you can always do that. Let's see. Let's go back to Polyside. Little fun thing you can do. You know, we all heard Hugo Saw, J-Pop Brass, And I am actually in favor of our all new shout suites. That's the core highlight of this library. I'm going to skip over our basic shout clicks and our templates to get down to the meat and potatoes. Shout suites, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all know I'm pretty good in C sharp, D flat, so let's stay there. Shout suites is why we have this camera here on the left hand side. Shout suites allow you to enable guitar and bass loops, different kinds depending on what patch you have loaded up, along with your basic click track and your basic keys layer, and essentially either play with the click if you're like in a band, the click aids you, or if you're by yourself, have church all by yourself. So I'm not going to be good like other musicians you hear. I'm not the best keyboard player anymore. I just do coding and sample development, so I don't play as regularly anymore though. But as you know, with all of our shouts, hit any key and the click starts. And another thing I love about this too is that our super knob controls the click volume and the volume, all the other loops as well. So I'll leave it about right there. So that is Shout Suite version 1. And then what's lovely about this is that you're not limited to just the one key. All 12 keys are supported here, as you can see, with all of our Shout Suites. So let's go into Shout Suite number 2, once again in C sharp, because I'm a little comfortable there. And I think this one is the same thing, but we got the power grand instead of the full grand as our main piano patch. Of course, 3 is our bass. And then 5 is bass by yourself. Let's go to version 3. I think version 3 we got a little different loop going on here. A little different loop. We gotta be in C sharp actually, excuse me. Got the bass run here. You got to click all by yourself. That's a nice one. Version 4. Whoop, let's go to C sharp, my bad. I believe this is the same thing where we just had to switch from the Power Grand, the Full Grand to the Power Grand. Now this is one of my favorites here. We're going to skip over Testimony Suite, come back, and the Warfare layer, and let's do Country Shout. This one, what I think got the most favorable reviews in my testings and the reviews that we're going to have coming out here soon. So this is Country Shout. Just a click by itself. If you want to start it back up again with the guitar loop, you got that too. So Country Shout's a fun one. Let's go back a little bit here. Let's go to Testimony Suite. Bass variation. And then 1 to the 4. So that's a little fun one. This one was one that I was requested of me, and we were actually get a loop that goes pretty well with this. So this is Warfare layer. It starts out. I'm not good with Warfare stuff at all. That's a little ahead of my time. I'm used to a Baptist church. We don't do Warfare. We just do shouts, singing, worship, praise. We don't do all that extra stuff. But it's here if you want it. So. Like I said, I'm not really good with Warfare stuff, but it's here, and our scenes here just changed what piano patch or what patch we're going to do. So now we've activated the strings, and then this is with woodwinds. All right. Let's go on to the other new patches we have here now. So this is just going to be a precursor to some of the sounds that's going to be added within version 1.5. And that is, we got the actual original Sawtooth from the DX100 converted to FMX here on the board. And I named it Roger's Talkbox because Roger Troutman used the Sawtooth with the DX100. Version 1.5 is actually going to have a pre-built patch for you that's going to use the input of the Montage M, so you can plug in a microphone and use the vocoder effect with the talk box. But right now it's just a basic patch. I'm not a lead player either, so you have to forgive me, but we got a little effects right here. This one has the wiggle with the aftertouch. And you can turn on the portamento if that gets on your nerves. Again, that aftertouch is affecting the portamento here. That's a little fun patch to do. And this is no effects at all. And we still got the aftertouch with the wiggle. All right, now here's where we get into some fun patches. We mentioned, you're probably asking yourself, where are the patches that's inspired or curated by Terrence Ruffin, Andrew McCain, and Jeremiah Chaney? Well, Cheney is going to come in version 1.5, but we have McCain patches and a few Terrence Ruffin patches with more also to come in version 1.5. But we just poured over the Terrence Ruffin preset expansion presets for Terrence's side of this library. And then for McCain's library, we have all different types of patches of stuff that he would personally use in service, and mainly comprised of the S700. So. Whoop. That's obviously a worship layer. Whoop. Pretty layer. Turn up that pad a little bit. That's beautiful. That's Seraphim is what that is. We got a ooh pad now. That's worship right there. Parodies. This is like a DX layer here. This one's a unique one, actually. It's actually the FM piano is actually the GM E-piano 2, and I told Andrew, I said, that's really clever. I've never, ever thought about using GM sounds within a layer, ever, so that's interesting. I ain't gonna get caught up on that song, but I will. This is another DX layer. We got layer 10 here. So now we have some full grand layers. I believe that's just the full grand in TX-802. That's a full grand in parodies. I like this one. That's real worshipy. And okay, now we're getting into the Terrence Ruffin stuff. If you've seen the Terrence Ruffin preset expansion, you already know what this is. This is his T-Ruff Praise. PCF stands for Pentecostal Churches of the Apostolic Faith. Real in-your-face piano. That's pretty neat. Let's see here. Looks like I put this in between Terrence's patches. My apologies. But this is actually a new sort of variation patch we have here. And this is EP2 Analog Drift. We take the part LFO, assign it to pitch, and it adds a sort of global analog pitch drift. If you're familiar with our Kontakt libraries, you'll know that saying within Kontakt Gospel Sound Pack. We have a global analog pitch drift that's on there. Now it's on the Montage M. You hear that? That's like the vibe effect from the Nord keyboards. And we can go nuts with it too. So watch this. Let's go to Mod Control, Part LFO, and let's turn that depth up. Now watch this. Woo! Yeah, you probably have to get your MKS service if it's acting like that. It's a little neat novelty patch. So let's finish out Terrence's patches here. That's pretty. This is his LA patch. I'm guessing that's for worship. So we can go. Let's see. And then this is his praise one. And then this is his Rhodes. I believe this all is internal factory sounds. And we can turn down that pad probably. Of course, you can adjust that with the slider here. So. This sounds like it has a little bit of Rhodes noise. Yep. That's not my microphone you're hearing. That's the noise from the Rhodes. That's neat. Let's turn it up a little bit. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So that's the core of the presets here, ladies and gentlemen. We're showcasing once again the new ones, but there's still a plethora of all types of different sounds in here. Let's just touch a few of them. You already know about. Let's see, put the octave back up. So y'all know about Piano 1. This is a sort of like a stereo version. I played Piano 2 and 3. Of course, we have EB2 Dry. Let's play some of these other ones here. Shot layer. It's actually for worship. And this is the West Coast Shout Aftertouch. Pushing in. Makes it, wiggle. those who are saying in the past that my pyrograms are always bright, now you get now you hear the difference. 3.1 is just a little brighter. You can see in the bottom part of my screen of the montage, you'll see how it goes from 0 cutoff to plus 16. It gets brighter. Let's see, we have a plethora of S90, S700 patches. MK Rose, y'all have heard that. We have a bunch of ES sounds here. We got the Full Grand, Yama ZP, Munchkins, Forest, Parodies, After 1984, you've already heard Analog, Hybrid, T-Brass, Profi, Backpad, Ensemble Mix. These are just the core sounds from our montage of the MODX Sound Pack. The Hugo saw. Wouldn't have it that high. Full Dynamics. All right, J-Pop Brass is the last one I'll touch on. I just want to let that sustain so you can hear it's the full sustain of the patch. All right. Then you got J-Pop Bells, all the other good stuff. And then our click tracks. These are our basic ones from Montage MODX Gospel Sound Pack. Once again, you can see all that on our YouTube channel. Just wanted to highlight the Montage M version 1.0 patches we have so far with version 1.0. Version 1.5 is going to hit 2024. It's going to hopefully add some AN1X converted patches, all types of different basses, leads, more presets curated by Terrence Ruffin and Jeremiah Chaney, and it's also going to add in more sounds, so hopefully bringing the file size of this library up to 3 gigs. So you'll have that remaining gig and a half or so to add your own sounds and libraries. So I thank y'all so much for watching. This is available right now on wise-sounds.com, and thank you so much.